This is a 15-minute walking workout at home. This is designed with walking exercises for weight loss. All the moves are standing. I'm going to include your warm-up, the walking workout and a cool-down stretch. So if you're ready, let's get started. So just follow along, let's have fun. The first part we're going to do is the warm-up. Just give me this very basic march on the spot. We're just going to circle through your shoulders. So this is just going to help prepare your body for the workout ahead. So just keep doing those light marching and just arm circles. So on the left, you can see that arrow. That always represents how long we're doing each different walking exercise for. So just give me those big circles. And this time now, just give me a little kick. So we're just going to do a little bit of a kick and a bend through the arms. We're still warming up here. So we're just mobilizing through your knees, through your hips and through your upper body. And you can see in the top left, we're still focusing on the warm-up section. Just helping increase your blood flow and increasing your core body temperature. And well done. So now we're going to focus on the walking workout. So what I want you to do now is take it to a really fast march for me. So this bit now, this is where we're going to really up the intensity with these walking exercises. We're going to do about 30 seconds each different indoor walking move. So for this one, just focus. Fast feet, give me that power march. You can see on the left, see how long we've got on each move. That's good, doing really well. So for your next walking exercise, this time now, just walk forwards and then walk back and just give me that little tap. And the great thing is we're doing this at home. You could be doing it in your pajamas. It doesn't matter if you're not in time with me. It's just about moving at home. Make the most of the room that you've got. So it's just walk forwards to that tap. And then walking that back. That's good. And keeping that going. All right, so for your next walking exercise, this time, just give me these little side steps. So we're just going to go from side to side, land nice and softly. And the great thing is with this, it's really easy to control the intensity. And what we're doing here, we're doing lots of different intervals. And here's a great tip if you're looking for healthy weight loss, always choose whole foods over processed foods because these keep you fuller for longer. All right, that's good. And for your next walking exercise, this time now, just give me a march, but just give me these rolling arms. And so today it's all about doing these interval walking exercises. And here's another great tip. If you're looking for healthy weight loss, always focus on getting between 7 to 9 hours sleep because these poor sleep can help trigger those hunger hormones. And also we need sleep for our body to repair. All right, so for next walking exercise, this time now, just give me this bend through the knees and just add in the arms. And by using these dynamic walking exercises as well and adding in the arm movement is how we're going to increase the calorie burn. And have fun with it. This workout is going to fly by and you are getting so many health benefits. It's low impact, so it's safe on your joints as well. So for your next move, this time now, all I want you to do is just tap the foot out to the side. So it's just this low side tap. And here's a really important part of exercise. Always be consistent. We want to make exercise a habit. And with over 1,000 free workouts on my YouTube channel, you can choose a different workout to do every single day. So keep tapping that foot from side to side. All right, so for your next walking exercise, let's just do a power march and give me that power punch. So just punch that arm in front, focus on keeping your upper body nice and tall for me. That's good. Land softly with those feet. And try and keep those arms, when you're doing that punch, at shoulder height. That's good. Land softly with those feet. And well done. All right, so for your next move, this time now, just tap the foot behind, but give me real power marching arms. And what I'm making sure I'm doing here, I'm making sure I'm working every single muscle through your body. Now, tip number 4 for healthy weight loss, learn simple, healthy recipes that you enjoy. This is from one of my ebooks. It is delicious. Just banana with a little bit of cream cheese and sprinkle some cinnamon. There are so many delicious, healthy foods we can eat. So for your next move, this time, step forward and give me a knee lift and step back. Step forward to a knee drive and back. That's good. Just keeping that going. And have fun with this. And the great thing is with exercise, it's all just about moving your body. It doesn't matter if we're not in time, if we get the steps slightly wrong. That's the beauty of doing these walking workouts at home as well. Drive that knee up. All right, well done. So for your next one, we're going to take it back to a power march, but just give me this palm press in front. So just imagine you're pushing shut a heavy door, draw those arms back, push in front. That's good. Land nice and softly with those feet. And just keeping that going. The great thing is you can do this if it's raining outside, if it's dark outside, you can still do this indoor walk. So for your next one, we're just going to do a little side step, but bend really low and go as low as you can for me. Then we're really strengthening through your glutes and through your quads. And just add in that little arm bend at the same time. And remember, as I always say, if you don't want me coaching you, then remember you can hit the mute button and just play your favorite piece of music. Or you can have silence. So next move, give me a heel dig and we're just going to bend through the elbows. So we're just tapping that heel in front. This is really good to activate the muscle running down the front of your shin as well. And here's a really important tip. Be kind and take a moment to thank your body for what it has allowed you to do for that day. And I think we focus so much on how our bodies look. Instead, let's be grateful for what they do. It's all about having that healthy relationship with our body. So this time now, just give me these, what I call pendulum swings. You're just stepping the foot out. Once you've got used to the lower body movement, then add in those arms. It's quite a hard one, this, so just do what you can. If you prefer, just keep it with the legs. That's good. So we're just keeping those legs going from side to side. It's that lateral lift. And now bring that back. And this time now, we're going to do this side step, but we're going to go for 2. So follow along, 2 side steps. And then when you're ready, bring in the arms. So we're doing these pull down arms. And what you've probably noticed today, we've got no rest periods. We are working non-stop, but we're upping the intensity, then bringing it back down a little bit. So we're mixing it up. It's a really lovely interval workout. And the benefit of this is it's going to really help for that healthy weight loss. So next one, let's crank up that intensity. Give me a really fast power march now. And here's another really healthy weight loss tip. Always just keep yourself hydrated. And equally, that's a really good for our health anyway. Land softly with those feet. Keep marching, doing really well. That's good. And for your next move, this time now, we're going to step forward to a kick. So give me a kick, step forward and a power kick. That's good. And step back. Well done. Keep that going and make the most of the room that you've got at home. Make the most of the space that you've got. And while you're doing this, just think of all the health benefits that you're getting. That's good. So we're just going to keep going with this move until the arrow reaches the top. Step forward to that kick. All right, well done. So for your next move, this time now, we're just going to take it to this half star. So just tap the foot out, bring your arm up and over. So again, it's a lovely full body move. And we're working lots of different intervals here. So tip 7 for healthy weight loss. Remember, one treat won't ruin your progress. Focus on your overall pattern instead. I think that's so important. It's all about balance. We've got to enjoy life. So next move, give me a knee drive. Keep that upper body nice and tall for me. That's good. And we've got nearly less than 5 minutes left, and that's going to include a cool down stretch as well. So it means this whole 15 minutes you've got everything done that you need. This one here is also great. We're still marching on the spot, but we're adding in that little ab crunch. So we're working through your abs as well. Okay, so now bring it back. Let's go for that really fast interval now. Take that intensity back up, fast feet. And this is also really good for our bone health as well. Just keep those feet moving nice and fast. And here's a great tip: when you're out shopping next, always go for lots of vegetables. These are great to eat raw, like carrots, cherry tomatoes, bell peppers. These make great snacks. That's good. And well done. Right, for your next move, this time now, step that foot back and let's just have those long arms, swing those arms in front. Again, a really lovely walking exercise here, this one, full body. And these indoor walking workouts are really super effective when it comes to healthy weight loss and looking after your health, your fitness and your well-being. All right, that's good. And now this time we're just going to tap the foot out, but let's have some fun and let's just go for a big clap and take those arms above your head, just tapping that foot out, arms up. And whenever we take the arms or add arms into the exercise, that's how we're burning more calories as well. And also make walking a habit. It is an effective, super effective exercise for weight loss. It's also, if you think about it, the most natural exercise, what our bodies are designed to do. So for your next one, all I want you to do, tap that foot behind and open out through those arms. So this one here, we're getting a lovely stretch through your upper body. Tap that foot behind. And also today we're doing lots of kind of going from one move quickly to another. So it's really working your mind and muscle connection. So this is great for your brain health, your brain fitness as well. All right, so let's bring it back now. Really, really fast power march for me. March nice and fast. So we're taking that intensity up. This is where it's a bit of this interval training. That's good. Interval walking at home. Keep those feet going. And here's tip number 10. Whenever you can, just meal prep to avoid last minute unhealthy choices. So batch cook and batch prepare when you can. All right, that's good. Keep those feet going nice and fast. So for your next move, let's just give me a power kick march. That's good. Doing really well. Keep that upper body nice and tall. Kick that leg out. That's good. And again here, just think of all the different muscles that we're working. We're working the glutes, the quads, we're even working the arms. And now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly bring your heart rate back down. And also, if you do love the indoor walking, I'm going to leave a QR code because I've got a 21-day online course that has nutrition and recipes and a 21-day full walking at home course on there. But have a scan of that to find out more details. So let's just circle through those arms and just bring that heart rate back down. So we're just doing that gentle little side step. All right, that's good. So your heart rate should have come back down. What we're going to do now, we're going to now focus on doing your stretching. So we're going to step one foot back, heel stays down, and just feel that stretch through the calf muscle. So that's through the lower leg. And you should really feel the glow there with that. And now let's just take that to the opposite leg. We're going to step that foot behind. So again, we're just getting that lovely stretch. And the great thing is with this workout, you don't need to go to the gym. You don't need to commute to go and do a class. You can do it at home in your living room, completely free. So for your next one, this time now, hands are on that bent leg and just extend the toes up on that straight leg and just feel this through the hamstring, back of the upper thigh. And let's take that to the other leg. And if you've got any questions about the workout, your training, then always let me know in the comments. I'll try and answer as many as I can. And let's just go for that quadricep stretch. Just feel that stretch running down the front of the thigh. Make sure that supporting knee's soft. Take that to the other leg. And again, keep a slight bend in that knee. And now let's bring those arms in front. Feel that stretch through the top of the upper back, and then take your arms behind. That's good. And let's just take one arm up. Just feel that tricep stretch. We've worked the arms a lot today. And then take that to the other arm. And that is the 15-minute workout complete. So well done. There is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done is we've just invested in your future health. So I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.